Alright guys, got a short little video for you here. Made some chainsaw related chips. Turned my first mandrel. So that's a 50 millimeter one. Squared up the cylinder. This is for one of my other hybrid saws. It's a 036 with a 044 cylinder and a 10 millimeter wrist pin piston out of 10 millimeter 044. So I have an old video, it's not on YouTube somewhere, of a test run, but this thing had like 40,000 squish. So it should be down to the 25,000th mark now, but we'll get some test cut videos of that. Now I have a decent squish number, but so it's pretty exciting to cut my first base. So these cheap bits seem to be working decent, and showed up after I had already spun the first mandrel, but it'll come in handy for all my other ones. Finally got that other bushing for the change gears. This is how we're set up for the slowest feed possible for this Craftsman Atlas. So probably we'll see how this works out feed wise. I'm looking into doing a 12 volt motor, either like just a cheap wiper motor with a variable drive, or I don't know if I'm going to go all the way to a stepper motor, because I do have a couple projects that it would be nice to be able to cut threads. So we'll see what direction I go, but just got to give another thanks to Mr. Pete, or Tubalcane. His shop tips number, I think it's 224. Excellent video on how to do this exact setup for the change gears. Luckily I had the full set of original change gears that were still nailed to the original piece of wood. All I needed was that third bushing in the T-bolt. So I got that all dialed in now. So I got that new 3-jaw on there. So ready to spin around some more mandrels. Yeah, that's my cheapo carriage stop for now. That's one of my projects, to make just a simple carriage stop. But see what ends up coming up next. But I'll try to get a saw video of this 036 044 running, and see what project I start on next. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.